I'm Gitika. I take care of human resources at Urban Ladder. Everybody is literally trying to, deliver, if not twice the potential that they have, but at least 1.5x. I mean, there's just so much of self-drive that people have here. But there is this entire passion around achieving really fantastic results, which makes it a very, very, how should I say, an organization, a culture where you really want to get up on a Monday morning also and not feel bad about coming to work. So I think the entire piece around customer obsession very well links up to the vision that we have set out for ourselves, which is to provide a fantastic user experience at every touch point of the value chain in the business. I guess it's been a fantastic journey for the last 6 months. I think culturally, this place is something where I personally find a lot of match with. I think a very open and fun organization, extremely non-hierarchical, absolutely flat. The best thing is you walk in and one of the founders might be just sitting right next to you and you'll not even realize there are no cabins in the organization. The amount of energy and the amount of, the liveliness across the office, that was just fantastic. Probably we've added about 200 odd more people. We are across the country, including our front-end staff. We are about 1,000 people strong. So I think it's a great, great feeling when you work in an organization where not just you, but every single person who sits right next to you, people you come across while at lunch, while playing foosball or having fun or even dancing for that matter, you can see that, that feeling of connectedness, that feeling of belonging, that we are all working towards this one common vision. We are all working to deliver that one piece that, the two people who wanted to deliver, but now let's say there are about 1,000 odd brains, hands, eyes, etc. Just working behind that one particular goal. What makes Urban Ladder a very distinct kind of an organization? I think clearly one is the vision of the organization in terms of what are they trying to build, for the customer. Second is the kind of culture and the overall emphasis on having a very strong common thread or DNA across the organization based on the value system. And third, which I think is the most important, is the kind of people and the passion that they bring to the table and just the amount of love that they have for the brand. It's just about, it's extremely, extremely inspiring. What makes me super? I think probably, the way I probably get to understand people, I think I'm a little intuitive and I have a very strong gut. And I think that's what makes me super. So come join Urban Ladder and stay super.